is Adrian C. De Gracia from Novaliches Abarte Computer Science.
John De La Combayan from Access Novaliches College.
I am Brian Kel Reyes from Access Abarte.
Computer generally means program, method, machine, the two principal characteristics of a computer are it respond to a specific set.
What happens, guys, if the PC is a virus?
Is there a virus?
Yes.
If your computer is infected with a virus, you want to remove it quickly as possible. A fast way to check for viruses is to use a online scanner, such as the Microsoft Safety Scanner. The scanner is free online service that helps you identify and remove viruses, clean up your hard disk, and generally improve your computer performance. You know that?
South Bridge. This is a North Bridge. This is a South Bridge. North Bridge and South Bridge, this is the metal component is actually ST, and its role is to provide thermal protection for the North Bridge. These are power connectors. No computer component can operate without power, and the motherboard is no expansion. The power connector normally 20 or 24-pin connector. Memory slot. This is a memory slot located in the upper right part of the motherboard. The memory slots are used to house the computer's memory modules. The number of slots can vary depending on motherboard from 2 in. Sa video card port. Video card port is the type of slot that doesn't need an expansion, as its name doesn't leave much room for interpretation as to what its role is. Coming in the form of PCI, express slot on newer motherboards or AGP on older ones. The video card slot is situated right below the processor. Expansion cards. These are expansion cards. Expansions have the role of letting you install additional components to enhance or expand the functionality of your PC. ID and SATA. ID and SATA ports are used to provide connectivity to the storage device and optical device. BIOS chip battery. BIOS chip and battery contains the basic code needed to take your computer through the boss power to the point where the operating system takes over. North Bridge and South Bridge. This is North Bridge. This is South Bridge. Occupational health and safety procedures in the assembling and the assembling of system unit. First one, fully shut down and unplug the computer before you make any attempts to assemble the tower. Second, take off many metal objects on your name of fingers such as bracelets, rings of watches. Even if your unit is unplugged, there may still become remaining electric charge. Number 3, make sure your hands are completely dry to avoid damaging and mechanical parts as well as to avoid evacuation. Number 4, work in a cool area to avoid perspiration for the same reason as seen in the previous number. 5. Before touching any part within the tower, put your hands against another metal source such as the computer casing to remove static charge which may damage sensitive devices. Number 6. Prepare a place to keep any screws you may. Remove a container for piece of paper with labels for each part. Casing motherboard, CD drive. It's ideal to avoid confusion between the similar looking devices.
7. Handle all parts with care. Place each piece you remove carefully down on the stable surface. 8. If your component does not come easily, do not force remove it. Instead, check that you are removing it correctly and that no wires or other parts are in the way. 9. Be careful when holding the motherboard. Its underside actually quite pointy and able to hurt you. 10. Never attempt to remove the power source, a box attached to the side or bottom of the unit, which or cable are connected. 11. When removing any cable, wires and ribbon, make sure to grasp the wire at the base or head to keep it from breaking. 12. Be careful not to drop any small parts, particularly the screw, into unreachable areas such as into the computer fan or disk drive.